head teachers, headmasters, principal, teachers training session jong ka first edition ba arsengi bala penyat the education subcommittee ka Warjaiñtia students union kelas dang menin ke siar pandai teri gujamang araja apsan apo kari Warjaiñtia Church of God Secondary School La Joplem Amnaram Civil Subdivision. Hakani ka teachers training session first edition la one man Nonghikai yaki Nonghikai lower but upper primary school ki bahapo ka thaiñ Warjaiñtia da ki faculty members naka school ba ICFAI University Meghalaya Shillong. Haka sngiple inaugural ceremony jangkani ka training session la panya de alban ki kashnga chief advisor ka seng Hakaba u Ishan Gupta IPS Additional Superintendent of Police ka West Giant Hill District Jowai ulalong kumukongsan usambot kongsan ma H Comfort Star Lamin Gasa in charge ka Subdivisional School Education Officer Amnaram Civil Subdivision Batlaya Donlang u Principal ka Warjaiñtia Church of God Secondary School ma Hastingroy Kharkongor kum u special guest Kani ka program hikai ya kino hikai klalong ka ba yai bet yai renti bala wan panishim benta da kisan pongot kino hikai kat kum bala bo jingken da education subcommittee ka seng. Kani ka teachers training session apan kot menta ka jan miet lai po tarik jamang araja apsan da ka basam shekino hikai ya ki certificate of participation da usamla Everest Langstang General Secretary ka seng WJSU, Yaki Certificate of Appreciation, Lasam, Shaki Faculty Members ka ICFAI University Meghalaya, Shillong da upa Alban ke Gashnga, Ubalong u Chief Advisor ka seng, Nakalyang ka Education Subcommittee ka seng kala pentip bakan pelong ya ka second edition kum kani ka jo ka training session how banai January araja arpunreo.
They are the backbones of our nation, of the country that India aspires to be, of taking not just Meghalaya but the nation and the world forward. So first of all, a huge round of applause for all of you. Now I can safely, after breaking the protocol, I can now welcome and thank the dignitaries. SDSU sir, thank you. The Warjaiñtia Students Union Principal sir, the organizers, and of course the faculty who have come from ICFAI University. It's an honor for me personally. I am fairly young on this circuit of government service. It's been 2.5, close to 3 years working on the ground in Meghalaya. I am a 21 batch IPS officer 2021. And it was not very long ago that I passed out of school and college. I graduated in 2015. And there has been a very critical role of teachers in all our lives. For whatever we are, we would have been nothing if it was not for good teachers at some points or the other. I remember many anecdotes from my life. I have been a very notorious student throughout my school life, doing all sorts of naughty things, doing pranks and stuff. And it was our teachers who kept us, who took the effort to keep us on the right track. And I remember my school teacher, it was class 5 and her name was Manisha. And I'm very close to her. I'm still in touch with her. It's been almost 20 years that she taught us. And she was the one, so she was the first one who made me the class monitor. It's usually said that make the naughty students the class monitor and they'll manage not just themselves but the entire section. So what I'm trying to stress upon is the effort that teachers take to shape us. Many of us are mostly directionless in our lives. Our parents are very simple people. We come from middle classes, lower middle classes. So it is usually the teacher who guides us. As it is said that a directionless boat reaches nowhere. So the role of giving us direction is the sole role of the teacher. She is the guide, they are the guides, they are the mentors. and they keep us grounded and rooted in the direction, keeping the goalpost intact. It's very, I'm very happy to see that such trainings are being organized for the teachers specifically. A lot of focus is there on students usually in our education system, but the teachers somehow are left a little neglected. Another aspect which really pains my heart and many of our hearts is being the most noble profession. Teaching is the teachers are supposed